Before I left a lifetime ago, the wisdom escapes me. I live this life and nobody gets me. That's fine, nobody deserves this, especially you. Copy, paste, edit, destroy the best things in life for free. Steal my happiness, steal my joy. There's something wrong with you. Who hurt you? Who hurt you? The sun don't shine on me in the morning. There isn't a window in sight. I keep in the smoke and I drown out the light. There's nobody here to keep me warm at night. My soulmate died when I lied to her face. I told her I'm not the one for her. I really messed up. How did you destroy the things I had from 2K miles away? You texted my son's mom with a picture of unhappy me. Copy, paste, edit, destroy what piece there was. It hurts to know the end was here and there never was. The sun don't shine on me in the morning. There isn't a window in sight. I keep in the smoke and I drown out the light. There's nobody here to keep me warm at night. My soulmate died when I lied to her face. I told her I'm not the one for her. I really messed up.